Here we are with my favorite strength and conditioning coach, Alex Ariza. Tell me about the Amir's camp.
I think it's been a great camp. I think it's comparable to the Miadana camp. I think we covered everything. I think we had a good long camp. A little bit better just because we weren't in the Philippines, and we weren't splitting time between fighters, and we got to just focus on Amir in this camp and get him ready.
Have you had to work with him on his agility, because he's dealing with the southpaw? It might be like he needs to react differently.
Well, we've always worked on. I mean, he does a lot of the same things that Manny does, but we're always touching on that. Sometimes we focus a little bit more on one thing than the other. Sometimes we focus on power, and then sometimes we just focus on speed more than the other. So this one, according to Freddie's game plan, that's how we focused it, and that's how we pretty much structured the camp around.
So did you focus on speed or power?
You'll see Saturday night.
What is your personal prediction for the fight?
Well, I always train my guy never based on the other fighter's last fight. I always base it on their best fight ever. I expect Zab. He's very competitive. He's dangerous. Good power. Good speed. I'm not really much for predictions, but my guy's ready. He's in shape. He's strong, and I think he's gonna really surprise. He's going to surprise. He's going to be the surprise of the night for sure.
Thank you very much. So here it is, from Alex's mouth to your